Hello everyone. In previous video we have studied about crops and its type. Today we will know about basic practices of crop production. Here cultivation of crops involves the activities or tasks required to perform for the cultivation of crops are referred to as agricultural practices. The steps involved in agriculture practices are described below. Here, preparation of soil, sowing seeds, adding manure and fertilizers, irrigation, protecting from weeds, harvesting, storage. Today, I am going to cover only that is preparation of soil. Only in this chapter, here preparation of soil, it is the first step and very important for crop production. In this step, soil is loosened to increase the absorption of water and manures. Farmers prepare the soil according to the crop. The process of loosening and turning of the soil is tilling and plowing. This is done by using a plow, hoe and cultivator. Then first one, this is preparation of soil. Soil is the medium to grow a crop. The preparation of soil is therefore the first step before growing a crop. The soil is need to turn and loosen in order to allow the roots to penetrate deep into the soil. The loose soil allows the roots to breathe easily even when they go deep into the soil. The loosened soil also help in the growth of earthworms here and microbes present in the soil. Do you know earthworms are called friends of the farmer because they turn the soil and provide humus to the soil. Turning and loosening of soil bring the nutrients to the top so that plants can absorb them. The process of loosening and turning of the soil is called tilling or plowing. Plowing, this is done with the help of, that is here that is plowing help to loose the soil so that plants can breathe easily and penetrate deep into the soil. This is done by using plow. Plow are made of wood or iron. If the soil is very dry, it may need plow. Plows are made of wood or iron. If the soil is very dry, it may need watering before plowing. The plowed field may have big pieces of soil called crumbs. It is necessary to break these crumbs with a plank. The field is leveled for sowing as well as for irrigation purposes. The leveling of soil is done with the help of leveler. To get better yield, it is necessary to break the soil finely before sowing seeds. This is done with the help of some tools that is known as agricultural tools. Here, that is plow, hoe and cultivator. This is agricultural implements. The main tools used to break soil are plow, hoe and cultivator. Then we will know about one by one. This is plow. Here the plow is used to loosen and turn the soil. It is also used for removing weeds, that is weeds, unwanted grass. You can say unwanted plant growing from with the help of crops. So it is weeds, unwanted plants. The plow is used to loosen and turning the soil. It is also used for removing weeds or scraping the soil. The traditional plow is made of wood and drawn by a pair of bull. Here you can see this bull. Then the traditional plow is made of wood and drawn by a pair of bulls. It comprises a strong triangular iron strip called plowshare. This is plowshare. And a long law of wood called plow shaft. That this end is plow shaft. There is handle at one end of the shaft and the other end is attached to a beam that is placed on the bull's neck. Nowadays, plow replaced by modern method agricultural implements, that is hoe. Hoe. It is used for removing weeds and loosening the soil. The structure of hoe is mentioned here. It consists of long rod of wood, a strong, broad plate of iron is fixed to one of its end and works like blade and is pulled by animals. It is a tool for removing weeds and for loosening soil. It is also pulled by bulls. Then next one, agricultural implements, that is cultivator. Modern day farming is done by tractor driven cultivator. It saves labor and time. So it is best agricultural implements that is used for preparation of soil. Today I have finished my topic preparation of soil. Thank you.